much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Guys, it's Livia and welcome to my channel. This video is my Florida vlog, which is my summer vacation. As you guys just saw, I was in the car and now let's go to the beach. We got back from the beach, which was so much fun, and now we're going to PF Chang's. We came to Florida yesterday and we don't live that far away. It was about an 8-hour drive, but now we are staying in a condo on the beach and it is so pretty. Hi guys, I'm gonna give you a quick little haul of what I got while I was shopping. So first, from Altered State, I got these green flowy shorts. They're so soft and comfy. They almost kind of feel like a swimsuit, which I really like about them. I cannot wait to wear these, and I think I'm gonna pair them with like either a black or a white top, and they're just so cute. Next, from American Eagle, I got this butterfly top. I probably wouldn't have bought this if it wasn't on sale, but it was $20, but 60% off, so I got it for about $7 or $8. So from American Eagle, I got this black airy zip-up like cropped hoodie. It is like kind of velvety, and I've actually been wanting this for a while, so whenever I saw that it was on sale, I knew that I had to get it. It was originally $55, but I ended up getting it for $16 or $17, something like that. So yeah, such a good buy. And from Marshalls, I got this Choco Cat hand cream. If you don't know who Choco Cat is, he's a Sanrio character, and what you guys probably don't know about me is I'm a huge fan of Sanrio. I just love everything, all the characters, and Choco Cat's one of my favorites, so when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. Next thing is this Hydro Peak water bottle. I also got this from Marshalls. It was only $15, which online I've seen it going for about like 30-ish, something like that. It's just a super pretty like bluish purplish color. Maybe it's periwinkle, I don't know, I'm not too good with colors. And it has a straw, and I've been wanting a water bottle with a straw for school, so I think that this was also a really good buy. The next thing I got is from Lululemon, and I got the Track That MR short, which with the 5-inch inseam. I just find they're just super cute, and I probably would not have bought the 5-inch inseam, but they were on sale from $68 to $49, so I thought, why not get them? They're super soft and super comfy. I love like all the Lululemon clothes. The next thing I got is what I was most excited for. I ended up getting this Kendra Scott necklace, and Basically, I've been wanting one of these for a really long time, and the lady was so nice. She took me to the color bar, and I ended up making this one. It is opalite with a satellite gold chain. I ended up also getting 50% off of this because it is my birthday month. We're glad about that. For the haul, and now we're going to the beach. Fresh out of the shower and my hair is unbrushed, but I had so much fun today. I'll tell you about it in a second.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Put a dress on today, I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. 'Cause I'm running away.